Welcome! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Book4, and in this video I will show you how to toggle TPM support on this laptop. To do it, first open the BIOS, to open the BIOS, press the power button once to turn your PC on, and then start repeatedly clicking the F2 button until the BIOS menu appears on your screen. Once you are in the BIOS menu, go to Security section, then go to TPM Configuration, and then switch the toggle off to turn the Trusted Platform Model Support off, and by switching it to the left, you will turn it on. To apply settings, press F10 and enter to confirm. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.